Today, guys, I got a very exciting install. I want to show you a brand new part that is much needed for any Challenger or Charger, especially mine, making this much power. Good afternoon and welcome to the channel. If you're stopping in for the first time, I am Corey and this is Driveway Demons. So today I want to install something that's much needed, especially for the power I'm making, and that is the Per4mance DIRS rear differential brace. I want to go ahead and give a big shout out to Bray over at Per4mance Development. Awesome guy. Met him at a Slipstream event and he was really nice explaining how they developed the differential brace on the Demon. It was his personal Demon. So I'm going to be doing a video hopefully in the future with him, but I want to give a big shout out, link down there in the bottom of the screen, to Per4mance Development. It's an absolute must-have performance part for your red eye, and it is a very easy install that you can do in your driveway, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do that. We're going to start out here with the hardware in this bag, as well as the diff brace right here in this box. So here's the bottom portion of the differential. This side faces the differential itself. Now the only thing is, the top of this diff brace gets mounted to the frame, and if your vehicle is after 2016, you're going to have to use these. The square one goes on the passenger side and the driver's side gets the one that has an angle. I'm going to lay these out for you. So I'm going to show you where to put these on the frame, but this is going to be the passenger side and the driver's side is going to look just like this. You're going to end up using these bolts right here. Okay, they're a lot sturdier than the ones that come for a pre-threaded frame. So if your Hellcat is before 2016, if you have like a 2015 Hellcat, you're going to be using the smaller screws right here, but you can drill them out and use the bigger ones and just use the tabs anyway, as these are kind of small, if you want to know the truth. Look at the difference in the size between these two bolts. So I recommend doing it this way. It's better for anyone who owns a 16 or above anyhow. And this is the main bolt right here that goes through here with the supplied washer. So let's get started. I'm going to show you guys which bolts to remove on the differential. Okay, so right here on the differential, you're going to remove this bolt and this one right here, both 16, and then 1, 2, 3 right there for 12 millimeter. Then we're going to put the differential brace on and we're going to fasten with the new bolts that they gave us. So you guys can see the long ones from the driver right here and the short ones from the passenger right here. We're going to use the long bolt on the driver's side right here. It's very important to note too not to leave these bolts removed and the differential casing in this condition for more than an hour. And here's the extended supplied 12 millimeter bolts that are going to go in here. You're going to see up here that there's two little holes, one right here and one right here, and you're going to place the one that's angled like this in this position in the driver's side first, but you don't want to lose this, so you want to place it in here carefully. You can see them right up there. Everything's ready to go. All right, guys, this is a little trick that I've always used when doing something like this. Use an Allen key and put it up here just to straighten everything out so that it's centered completely with the hole in the frame. And you do the same thing with both sides. This way the screw is going to line up a lot easier. And you can see me moving it around right now. So we're doing 42 foot-pounds on these small 12mm bolts. There we go. 42 foot-pounds on all three of them. And these two big ones on the top, these 16mm, are 90 foot-pounds. So you can see the isolator pad goes on top of the differential brace right there, so the holes align. And we're going to go ahead and get this installed right now and finish this up. Something here I want to point out that a lot of people have failed to mention. This is a 12-point ARP bolt. So it's a 10mm bolt, but the head is a 12. And as you guys can see here, it is a 12-point, not a 6-point. So just be aware of that. Got one side installed. Now the other side is going to go up. Now I do recommend putting this bolt in before you tighten the 10mm bolts. Otherwise, you're going to have a problem aligning everything. It's the easiest way to do it for sure. This is a 21mm. It's going to be torqued to 90 foot-pounds. And we're looking at 42 foot-pounds on the ARP bolts that go in the frame. We're going to have to recheck the tightness after a little bit. So there you go, guys. Very easy install, no problems. Everything mounted up flush against here. I had no problems with any welds or any spurs off the aluminum. Very straightforward. Even the isolator pad fit in there, no problem. 90 foot-pounds here, 90 foot-pounds on the top and right corner bolts. And the 12mm ARPs are 42, as well as the 12mm that go in the bottom of the housing. Everything is installed and it looks awesome. Well, that's going to do it for this install video. I'm sorry, guys, it was a very short video, but I just wanted to show you how to install it and how easy it really is. And it's definitely a must-needed mod for your Challenger or your Charger to prevent your rear end from completely grenading. So I 100% recommend it. It doesn't matter which version of the Charger or Challenger you have, I definitely recommend it. Scat Pack, Hellcat, Demon, Red Eye, all of them. This is a definite mod. Thank you so much to Performance Development. The DIRS installed flawlessly and easily in 30 minutes in my garage. Very easy job, guys. So if you've ever changed your oil, you can definitely do this. And I'm hoping I was able to help you guys out with it. We're gonna be testing this DIRS at the track. That's right, I'm going to Atco tomorrow night, so definitely check that video out, and we're gonna see how well the DIRS helps me and what kind of time I can get my first time around at the track with this setup. So we're gonna see how this setup does first time at the track with the Challenger. Now, I did go to the track with the Charger many times, but this is a whole new animal. Better tires, a lot more power, and the rear differential brace, which is really gonna help things out. So I just wanna give a big shout out to Bray over at Performance Development. Thank you so much for sponsoring the car so I could get this diff brace on and start running great times at the track. Thank you so much, guys. Also, guys, be sure to check out my brother's YouTube channel, This Can't Be Happening, all lowercase, one word. I'm gonna put a link right there on the screen, guys. My other YouTube gaming channel, I need to get it to 1,000 subscribers. Lots of live streaming is coming this winter. You guys are gonna love it. In fact, I'm gonna be live tonight and tomorrow, most likely. In fact, when you see this video, I've probably already been live, but right there, bottom of the screen, check it out, circle, triangle, square. It is going to be a lot of fun, classic gaming, current gaming. I'm gonna show you guys my collection, all kinds of good stuff. Don't skip the ads, check out the store, drivewaydemons.com. New key tags, hoodies, t-shirts, hats, and I got some new shirts coming as well, and giveaway is on the horizon. But that's gonna do it, guys. Take care, have a great night, and I will see you on the next upload.